Now guys, after that quick vacuum session, this is what you can't see. Ready? I'd say that did a great job. What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing well. So this video is brought to you today by one of my great sponsors for bulbs, a company called Oxilam. Put some links up on the upper right hand corner as the video progresses, showing the bulbs I've used in various applications for my wife's minivan or X car, because she just got a new one, which I'll be testing this beautiful vacuum cleaner out on, and also for my motorcycle where I changed the headlight bulb. But anyway, so the thing is, I could vouch for their products. Their products so far I've tested have been good, and they reached out to me and asked me if I could review this for them. This is a pretty nice portable vacuum cleaner, and it's not only a vacuum cleaner, but you can use it either to vacuum or use it to blow up certain items, dust off your computer, things like that. Even they have attachments where you can vacuum up pet hair or brush your dog while kind of like combing him to get the hair up, which is actually pretty nifty. The cool thing is my dog is hypoallergenic, so he doesn't shed, which is good. But as you can see the point I'm trying to make, because these the bristles, they're not overly soft and they're not super firm. They're just like just right to like give your pet a nice little massage. Okay, so in the box, as you can see right here, you have the item right here, this portable vacuum cleaner. It's either comes in black or beige. Guys, you can get this on Amazon, but I will put some links in the description where they have a 20% sale going on their website right now, so you could actually save a little bit money than what you might get it for on the price of Amazon. Either way, it's their product. They have it on Amazon. They have sales on their site, so definitely don't be afraid to check it out. Okay, the suction as well, I've had a chance to test it a little bit. It's pretty strong. Okay, it's 14,000 pascals, and pascals is the term that refers to pretty much with a vacuum, it's suction power. Okay, so for something portable, it's not really bad. Okay, USB Type-C charging right here. Okay, and they actually give you an extra HEPA filter, which is pretty cool. So inside of this, there's a metal filter, okay, for any type of big hard debris, and then there's a HEPA filter, so the air that comes out the back is not nasty and dusty. Cool thing about those filters, you could just see right here, there's a lock and unlock. Just turn it, the sound is nice and crisp. You can take it out, you can wash the HEPA filter and the metal porous filter in there, wash it, ensure, put it in the sun, let it dry, then put it back in. Guys, this is not to suck anything wet or any type of moisture. Okay, this is pretty much dry. Now guys, as for the parts included in here, you have this attachment to pretty much loosen up any dirt while you're vacuuming. You have your pet brush right here, you have your tiny little cleaning brush, you have your USB Type-C charger right here, you have your extra HEPA filter that they give you, and you have these three nozzles right here. They call it or small, medium, large, or you have your trumpet, medium, and large. The trumpet is for like inflating like yoga balls, things like that. The medium is for like air mattresses, and this is for like blowing out or like dusting off like your keyboards and stuff like that. Guys, I would highly recommend you go through your owner's manual. They have everything in here that you possibly need to know about the product. Here's the cool thing. The cool thing is, obviously, if you order on Amazon or whatever the case might be, you have like a 30-day warranty. They give you a 5-year warranty on these products. So I'd highly recommend you taking advantage of that. So what's the worst that could happen? Just give them a try. You know what I'm saying? So all in all, I just want to show you a couple things. So guys, right here, this is where your HEPA filter and that metal screen is located. All you got to do, you just hold right here. You can just pull it out, because what happens is this rubber seal right here creates that friction in here to prevent it from falling out. And just turn the HEPA filter right here counterclockwise while holding this firm. Hear that click? And you could separate them. That's how you could shake it out, wash them, have it dry. Then when you put it back, make sure all you'll hear is that little click. Now it's perfectly in there. And when you're ready, when you already wash it and dried it, just place it back in here, insert it, press it in, and that's it. So it can't fall out, if you get what I'm saying. It's actually pretty cool. And as I told you before, turn it, click, and we're straight. Now, to power this on, you hold this down for 2 seconds, comes on, and it says Eco. So right now it's pulling about, I think, 80-something hundred pascals. Now once you press this button one more time, it goes to max. Now you're at 14,000 pascals. And also at the back, you can feel a lot of air pushing out of here. Okay? Now if you press it out one more time, then it shuts it off. So now, for your attachments, so let's say you wanted to inflate a yoga ball or something like that. Put this bad boy back here, put it in there, turn it so it's locked, hold it down. There we go. Okay, so it has enough pushing power in this to inflate, you know, yoga balls, freaking air mattresses, and so forth and so forth. So let's go to my wife's 2025. She has a brand new electric car, 2025 Vinfast, and let's pass this bad boy through the floor. So guys, if you want to use this brush attachment right here just to get any stubborn dirt up or whatnot, there's a couple settings as well. So like, say for instance you finish using the brush and you don't need the brush anymore, you need to reach somewhere like a deep crevice or anything, there's a button right here, you press it and this can go back and lock in place right here. See that? So let's check this out real quick. Let's power this on. Let's use the brush attachment. It's working pretty good. The bad part about it is my wife has these fabric mats, so every piece of dust gets attached to this. But this thing is working phenomenally. It's lifting the, this brush attachment is great. It's lifting that dirt and it's sucking it in at the same time. So it's not too shabby at all. Actually doing pretty good, pretty fast. Obviously guys, this is not like a commercial vacuum cleaner, okay, where the suction power is freaking insane. But for something portable, like if you, let's say you're eating in your car, you spill some food or whatever the case might be, at least you have a quick option to get and lift this stuff up off the floor or wherever, in between your seats or what have you. Just want to show you this. It's actually doing a damn good job. Doing a damn good job. Guys, by the way, I'm holding the camera with my right hand. I am not a lefty. Now over here, this side had so much dust, it was insane. And getting right here in these crevices, as I told you before, press this button, pull this bad boy back so we can get in there, and it's doing a good job. Man, let me tell you, man, fiber type floor mats, you definitely got to get some freaking winter floor mats before we're already in September. So we definitely got to do something about some good floor mats for the winter. Otherwise, these things are going to get ruined. Hey guys, so pretty much after vacuuming this entire car, I'm still left with over 50% battery. Stay tuned. So, I don't know if you guys are seeing this. This floor is pretty damn clean. It's actually pretty damn good. Whoa. Not bad for a freaking portable vacuum, man. Definitely convinced. Guys, and you know, I mean, I've reviewed a lot of things on my channel, and obviously if something freaking sucks, I always reach back out to the sponsor and I let them know. I'll be like, hey man, you know, this is not working out. So, you know, it is what it is. I've turned down a lot of people before, but this company, they definitely make pretty damn good products. I've had the pleasure of testing 2 headlights with them from my wife's former Kia Sedona minivan and my motorcycle. And let me tell you, man, they're so bright, so clean, so crisp, and at an affordable price too. So guys, once again, as I said, I'm gonna link all the stuff in the description that you need to know about their site. You can get on there. You can purchase it on Amazon if you have Prime. Obviously, if you have Prime, you could probably get it in 1 or 2 days. And that's pretty much it, man. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So guys, definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Okay. And as I showed you before, the USB charging port is right there. Guys, obviously, when this came, it had about 2 bars on it. I charged it for about 20 minutes or whatever, and it went right up to 3 bars. That's how I was able to do all this testing and stuff like that prolonged. And that's it. Once you finish, you can just press this button right here. This opens up where you can empty your garbage. And that's really it. Guys, also, if you know you're doing a lot of vacuuming, things like that, make sure you are washing that metal filter and that HEPA filter, putting it in the sun to dry, and then placing it back in as I've showed you before. Again, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.